Hey, this is the J Shows. I'm here with some more black and white cards. These are all my black and white cards. I'm going to do 4 parts, and this is part 1. I hope you enjoy all of them. Let's start this thing. Let's put that over there. Alright, here we go. Starting with, we have a Snivy, Pampor, Buffalint, Scraggy, Typeg, Snivy, Darumaka, Simipour, Fighting Energy, Blitzel, Minccino, Energy Search, Lillipup, Tinchino, Timber, Pignite, Sock, Girder, Professor Juniper, Portrat, Fire Energy, Pidove, there we go, Tranquill, Herdier, Pansear, Herdier, Patrat, Timber, Oshawott, Blitzel, Lillipup, Pansear, Potion, Ducklet, Dewott, Energy Search, Jujin, Oshawott, Darumaka, Herdier, Samurott, nice holographic, Sock, Deerling, Oshawott, Simipour, Lillipup, Switch, Sandile, Pidove, Pignite, Dewott, Pansage, Darumaka, Pampor, Water Energy, Plus Power, Audino, Herdier, Deerling, Oshawott, Darmanitan, Basillo, Minccino, Pignite, Professor Juniper, Minccino, Ducklet, sorry I'm going fast, Minccino, Lilligant, Minccino, Pidove, and Pansear. So thank you for watching this video, and please stay tuned for a lot more videos, and part 2, part 3, and part 4. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.